Come children, in today's practical class, we are going to analyze and confirm the presence of acid radical as nitrate ion in the given salt. Materials required: test tubes, Bunsen burner, the salt given for analysis. Concentrated hydrochloric acid, filter papers, dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, copper turnings, concentrated sulfuric acid and freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution. Come children, we'll start with preliminary test. In a test tube, take a small amount of salt and heat it strongly. A reddish brown gas evolves with the fishy smell. This indicates the presence of nitrate salt. Shall we start the second test with dilute HCl? In a test tube, take a small amount of salt and add about 1 ml of dilute HCl. Heat it gently. A reddish brown gas evolves with the fishy smell. Now, take a filter paper and moist it with ferrous sulfate solution. Insert this paper into the test tube. The moist ferrous sulfate paper turns brown. This indicates the presence of nitrate. Shall we do another test? For this, take a small amount of salt in a dry test tube, add about 0.5 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid and heat it gently. Children, what do you observe? Reddish brown gas evolves, turning acidified ferrous sulfate paper green. This indicates the presence of nitrate. Now we are going to do another preliminary test. For this, take a small quantity of salt in a dry test tube. To this, add few copper turnings and add about 1 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid and heat it gently. What do you observe? A reddish brown gas evolves with a fishy smell, turning a moist ferrous sulfate paper brown. This indicates the presence of nitrate. Children, from the preliminary test, we came to an idea that the given salt may contain nitrate ion. Let us confirm the presence of nitrate ion with another test, that is analysis with sodium carbonate extract. For this, we have to prepare sodium carbonate extract. Take 1 gram of the given salt, 3 gram of solid sodium carbonate and 20 ml of distilled water in a 100 ml beaker. Heat the beaker with its contents as shown here. After boiling the solution for few minutes, filter it through a filter paper in a funnel and collect the filtrate in another beaker. This filtrate is called sodium carbonate extract. Take 1 ml of this extract, add dilute sulfuric acid in drops with the shaking until the effervescence stops and add about 0.5 ml of freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution. Then, keeping the test tube in a slanting position as shown here, add concentrated sulfuric acid along the sides of the test tube. Do you observe anything? Yes, a beautiful brown ring is formed. This brown ring test confirms the presence of nitrate in the given salt. Children, for this test we should use freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution because on exposure to the atmosphere, ferrous sulfate is oxidized to ferric sulfate, which will not give the brown ring. In this practical class, we confirmed the presence of nitrate ion in the given salt.